I mean, we definitely share a similar background where we both were in corporate and then wanted to pivot to do something on our own and helping either small businesses. I also support nonprofits. Making that change for you, was that something that felt intuitive that you wanted to do this? You have that entrepreneurial spirit, or was it kind of scary? It was scary for me, or what was your kind of your thought process there?
Can I say all of the above?
Sure, fair. That's fair. Yeah.
Uh, right. I think the scary part for me was just again leaving the comfort of having structure in corporate, right? But the work was so much more meaningful. And when I realized I can actually, you know, help my community out by giving this service and my experience, it was way worth the comfort of being in corporate America. I also saw it as a chance as well. Like, most of the time in corporate America, there's this feeling you're going to hit where you know that maybe it's time to either switch companies, switch careers. I don't know. And I just feel like when I started advocating and talking to people within my community who have the small businesses and the nonprofit organizations. I was like, I can help you with that. That's simple. And the fact that they were so appreciative of my work, totally, totally different, right? Like you never get the thank you. You never get the thank you in the other world, right?
No, you do get that instant gratification
Yeah.
and that little dopamine hit, and it does feel, it is rewarding. It's, like, similar, I'm taking enterprise IT down to small business, and, they really see the value, and they are so appreciative that someone is, putting a spotlight on them or want to help them. Yeah, that was new to me. I mean, I was excited to start this, but I didn't really know that was gonna be, one of the benefits of it
Yep.
was the actual fulfillment of what we're doing. So it's great.
Yeah. Well, no one tells you that either. Yeah. And how do you monetarily say that is going to happen? And you can't. It's such a qualitative feeling. So it's not anything that we can put a number, but it truly has made me feel a lot more proud of my work, especially after COVID and rearranging work from home. And I just feel like there is empathy that's being lost in not only the tech world, but just in organizations in general. And, just being efficient and actually letting tech help you be more empathetic is something that I've really latched onto. So everyone's like, well, tech and AI, it's not human. Yeah, I am. So I'm going to use that's where we work efficiently together, right? Is I bring the humanity into AI and I gut check and I make sure and I help understand the real processes of what an organization needs to run. Um, and at the same time, like AI, they're still learning, right? Like every software product too, even if you get something right off the shelf, you have to customize it a little bit because everyone is just catering just a little bit differently to their audience.